Hope everyone is doing good. Well, in this video, we are going to see what is Darkweb and how to access it. What are the ways to access it? How you can securely communicate? How to be completely anonymous, etc. Okay, let's we have a little walkthrough. Right, these are the contents of the videos. First thing is intro. What is Darkweb and how to access it? What are the tools you are required to access? What is Tor? How to configure? You can't directly use Tor. You need to change a few settings, right? How to choose a good VPN? Do we really need a VPN? Like all types of stuffs we are going to discuss. The operating system with inbuilt Tor, onion search engines. What are the lot of onion search engines? We have to access the dark web, and how we can securely communicate our messages and mail in the dark web. All right, let's see. First thing, what are the types of web? This sounds a little bit confusing, right? First category is surface web. Second one is deep web, and third one is a dark web. Okay, surface web, as you guys know everything. What are the stuffs you are browsing? What are the contents you are going through every day in the internet? Everything comes under the category of surface web, like shopping sites or whatever the websites that you are visiting that are indexed by the Google. Everything comes under the category of surface web. Then what is deep web? What are the websites? What are the parts which are not indexed by Google or any other usual search engines? Okay, that is called deep web. Companies' database and internet networks, academic records, like this kind of stuff. We don't really have access to it. Okay. Dark web is a subset of a deep web where you need a special software to access it. Okay. Where you can stay completely anonymous. No one can track you, who you are and what you are doing, what are the contents you are going through. No one can see it. There is a zero sum system. Okay. Let's have a simple analogy. As you search dark web in the internet, you will get picture of that's a iceberg, right? As in Titanic movie, we saw only a portion will be visible above, much more deeper portion which is not visible. Okay, for a change, I made this slide. This is the surface web, right? Okay, it's just a tiny part actually. This is the deep web. All other part, the websites in deep web is much more numbers, as compared to the surface web. Okay, here's the dark web. Okay, it's just a tiny part. Okay, all right. Social medias, the Instagram reels you scroll every day, everything comes under the category of the surface web. Okay, this full part is the deep web. Okay, where you can find the medical records, legal documents, private forum, research papers, non-indexed content. Then is the dark web. It contains a private communication forum, Tor, illegal trade, illegal activities. Okay, now we are clear in the concept of a dark web. How to access it? That's the next question, right? You can use Tor or I2P, Invisible Internet Project. We can use about browser integrations. Standard search engines don't access the dark web, but we can use integrations like the Orbot. Orbot is actually VPN, but it uses a Tor release. So when you turn on the Orbot, the traffic comes from your whatever the applications you are using. You can customize it, right? Okay, every traffic goes through the Tor release. Then I don't know how many of you heard about Tunix. Next one is Tails. My favorite one is Tails. I always use that. Tunix you can use on virtual machines. Tails is really a game changer. I will show you how to use Tails. In the upcoming series, I will show you the real-time example and how we can use the Tails and how to configure the browsers, how to be completely anonymous, what are the do's and don'ts. You just make a note of it. Right. Okay. Why Tor? Why should I use Tor? I'm not any cyber criminal. I have nothing to do with the dark web. Then why should I use a Tor browser? Right? I can use Google or Edge. Right? Okay. Here comes the importance of data privacy. Okay. I will make a separate video about how the companies are stealing our data, how they are selling our data, what are the informations they are having, third parties, and what are the surveillance the government every time do. Everything we will see in this another video. Okay. First thing is the privacy and anonymity. Okay. Second thing is anti-fingerprinting. Okay. You need to get clear with the concept of browser fingerprinting. I'll show you the upcoming slides on browser fingerprinting. Yeah, browser. You know, every time you use browser, the browser collects the information and sends to the network. Okay. Screen size, font. Okay, we will see this in upcoming slides. Okay. Next one is bypass censorship. You may be in a country where you can't access the certain content. Okay, so bypassing purpose we can use Tor. We can, for example, China doesn't use any of Microsoft or Google products. You don't find YouTube there. Likewise, a lot of countries having restrictions on which to use, what to use, right? Decentralized network. Tor uses almost by the last September, almost 7,000 relays all over the world. So it is completely decentralized. Okay, they are not surveillance by any government agencies or any data brokers. Okay, you're safe with that. Next one, traffic. Every data packet going through the Tor is encrypted. So no one can see what you're doing, what you're sending. No one can decrypt the data packets, right? Hackers may steal your information while you are using ordinary networks. Next thing is node tracking. Okay, a lot of browsers having trackers, right? This is the ordinary ISP network, how it's connected to the internet. You have a computer servers connected to the router. Router goes through the firewall to modem to internet. Actually it will go to DNS and then to internet. Okay, this is the ordinary structure of how internet service providers work. Every agency is collecting data, right? We are not actually aware of it. Okay, I have nothing to do with this. I'm not doing anything illegal. So let them collect the data. No, you can't say like that. Since every searches you do, everything will be logged. Everything will be saved by your browser, your search engine, and the ISP providers. The concept of cybernetics, right? We'll discuss about the concept of cybernetics and how every country is doing that. They are always using this data. They have a digital copy of you, right? What you are doing, where you are going, what are you eating, how much time you spend on a particular player, every complete data on you, right? Even China is now introduced AI features. India is also using that in Digiatra, I think. What do you think of organizations should keep everything in control? Okay, it's not about being good or bad. It should keep everything in control. You are not going to raise voice against any of taxes or whatever. You are not going to trend any GMO free foods or GMO free vegetables. Like you are not aware of anything, right? You are going to have a popcorn in your hand, enjoying the shows in your theater. You buy goods. You are earning. Okay, you are earning everything. Okay, you are just enjoying the services. You are not aware of others. You are just doing your role. You are just an NPC in a game, right? Your contribution towards society is not much. So you are not going to do anything with this. Okay, a lot of activists, what they do, journalists and activists, what they do is, for example, you can consider a scenario. If I oppose any organization, what will happen? Everything you guys know. Let's see how dog works. Okay, there are more than 7,000 relays all over the world. Okay, I will show you what is a relay, how Tor works actually. Okay, this is the picture of a Tor network. What I am doing is I am the user. I am just connecting to the entry node. A Tor has a lot of nodes. Okay, these are some were very private nodes. They have a lot of nodes, right? First, when I send a request, it will reaches the entry node first. Okay, then it takes my data traffic to the relay node and then to the exit node. Whatever you are doing, you are not directly connected to the internet. It will go through 3 stages. Okay, it will go through 3 nodes. Okay, entry node, relay node, and exit node, and then it will reach the internet. What are the advantages of this? Is the server knows the IP of the exit node. It won't know the IP of the entry node. So you are completely anonymous. No one can know where you are from, what you are doing. anything. You are completely anonymous now. Okay. This is the greater advantage of using Tor. The traffic changes every minute. Let me show you in the practice sections. We can adjust, we can customize it.